In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start working out consistently. Whether you're just getting started or have some previous experience, this video is for you. Not only will I be teaching you how to build a workout routine, I'll also show you how to pick a gym, how to improve your diet, and so much more. Starting with how to build your first workout routine. When you're building your first workout routine, it's important that you start small. Start by doing some basic body weight exercises every day in your home, like push-ups and sit-ups. The goal here is to get the habit started, since that's the most important part. For beginners, I recommend starting with a simple upper-lower split. An upper-lower split is when you switch between exercising your upper body and lower body each day. For upper body exercises, I recommend doing push-ups, planks and elevated reverse push-ups. For lower body exercises, I recommend doing squats and Bulgarian split squats. Your workouts shouldn't be intense at first, instead they should be simple. Doing a solid set of push-ups or squats usually takes only 5 to 10 minutes, meaning that almost everyone can fit it into their schedule. I recommend tracking your exercises on a Google Calendar or notepad on your phone. The most important thing is that you get the ball rolling, since your gains will compound over time. Next, let's talk about how to pick a gym. The first thing you need to do is decide what gym you want to use. And this depends on a few factors. Depending on the college you attend or apartment complex you live in, you might have a free gym already accessible to you. If so, start by using that. If you don't have access to a gym, you'll want to pick a gym that's close to you and easy to afford. When you're just starting out, you don't need the most advanced equipment, so don't feel pressured to buy an expensive gym membership off the bat. Stick with something cheap that has a fast commute time. When you first start working out at a gym, you should take your time and try out the different machines. Try to get a basic understanding for the different machinery and what muscle groups they exercise. You don't have to use all of them, just try them out and see which ones you like most, while also ensuring you aren't missing any muscle groups. You should also consider adopting a better workout routine at some point, since doing an upper-lower split every day is much harder when you have to commute to a gym. The two routines that I recommend you try are the full body split and the 4-day split. The full body split is when you visit the gym 3 times a week, usually on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and exercise every muscle group all at once. This is great for beginners since it's easy to track and offers great flexibility. The other routine I recommend is the 4-day split. The 4-day split is my favourite workout split for intermediate to advanced gym goers, as it allows for greater muscle group concentration while still offering adequate rest days. The only downside is that it's more complicated and requires accurate knowledge in order to not miss any muscle groups. The 4-day split consists of 2 upper body and 2 lower body workouts, spaced in pairs across 4 days. This schedule provides more days in the gym than the full body routine, which increases the rate of muscle growth. Some people also do this split across 6 days, though this is usually bad, since the gains from the 2 additional workouts will be diminished from the lack of rest days. My favourite exercises for upper body days are bench press, bent over rows, overhead press, and pull-ups. For lower body days, I recommend barbell squats and/or Bulgarian split squats, Romanian deadlifts, and leg press. Though you should try different exercises and do whatever you like the most. It's also important that you understand how to use rest days when working out. Rest days are extremely important to see good muscle growth, because the act of lifting weights isn't what grows your muscles. Lifting weights and doing exercises creates microscopic cuts in your muscles, breaking them down. Then, when you sleep at night, your body rebuilds those cells even stronger than they were before. In order to consistently gain muscle and improve your physique, you need to find a good balance between exercising and resting. Since not having enough rest days is as bad as not working out at all. Studies show that on average, the best amount of rest days per week is 3. 3 days gives your body enough time for the muscles to rebuild without spending too much extra time not exercising. Though this can vary based on age and diet. Now let's look at how to improve your diet. Improving your diet is very important if you want to improve your physique, and it doesn't have to be hard. First, I want to talk about protein. Protein is like the building blocks for muscle. You will never be able to gain large amounts of muscle without optimizing your protein intake. When deciding how much protein to eat each day, you should aim for 0.7 grams per pound of body weight. So if you weigh 150 pounds, you would want to eat 105 grams of protein each day. However, it's important to note that not all protein is the same. Proteins from processed foods and low-quality meats will not have nearly as much of a benefit when compared to proteins from natural, high-quality sources. The best foods for high-quality protein are lean beef, chicken breast, eggs, salmon, tuna, pork and protein powder. Protein powder is best for people who want to lose weight, since it has a very low calorie count, though you have to be careful which protein powder you eat, since some are significantly better than others. I recommend starting off simple and picking one of those items to add to your everyday diet. Then you can continue adding more of these foods over time. There are a couple ways of measuring your protein intake. You can do it the old way, by writing down each day you eat something high in protein to estimate how much protein you're eating. Or you can use a mobile app like MyFitnessPal to track what you eat. Both work completely fine, though the old way is usually easier and faster, but less accurate than using MyFitnessPal. Another thing you need to understand about improving your diet is how to manage calories. Calories are a way of measuring how much total energy each piece of food gives your body. This matters in regards to whether or not you want to gain weight or lose weight, since the more calories you eat, the more weight you'll gain, and the same in reverse. If you want to gain weight, you should aim to eat a calorie surplus each day, which means eating more calories worth of food than the amount of calories you burn each day. If you want to lose weight, you should aim to eat in a calorie deficit. A calorie deficit is when you eat less calories than what your body burns each day. The average calorie usage for a person is around 2,000, but this can vary based on your age, height, and other factors. In general, if you're skinny and want to gain muscle, you should eat a surplus of 300 extra calories each day, with a protein rate of 0.7. And if you want to lose weight, you should aim to eat in a 300 calorie deficit, with a protein rate of 1. The reason why you want to eat more protein when losing weight is because you don't want the calorie deficit to shed your muscle mass too. So eating extra protein ensures that you won't also lose muscle mass. Next, I want to talk about some more things you should implement when working out to further increase your gains. One thing everyone in the gym should try is spending time with a personal trainer. You don't have to keep a personal trainer the entire time you're working out, but spending a week or two with a personal trainer can be extremely beneficial. Spending time with a personal trainer can help you customize and improve your workouts, and it tends to be extremely worth it. Another thing I recommend is using a DEXA scanner. DEXA scans are full-body X-rays that analyze your body fat percentage, muscle mass, bone health, and much more. DEXA scans give you tons of extremely valuable data and allow you to accurately track your overall health and physical progression. Finding a DEXA scanner can be difficult at first, since not every gym has one, but using one once every month or two can be extremely valuable.